It's Frank Bruno here, and I'm going to try to explain to you what your issue may be with trying to view the videos that you have. Um, you sent me actually a image in a PSP file, which is Paint Shop Pro, and I did not have a program that would view that file. I only had a program, a image editing program that would open it up, but it wasn't showing me the correct size because it really wouldn't convert the file from PSP to a usable format. So what I did is I had to download a free program that would actually convert your PSP file to a JPEG image so I could view it. And that's why you see this watermark over here, because I'm using an unregistered free version of this program just to view the image that you sent me. So I don't want to confuse you with that. So let's move on, and I'll show you what you need to do to view the video on your system. Now, you do have index files here, but there's one issue here. This is a JavaScript file. First of all, you don't need to worry about most all these files except for the index file. And right now you have 3 index files for some reason. Let me show you what it should look like. Your files should look something like this. You notice there's an index.html file, and you see some JavaScript files, Flash templates and stuff. And actually the video file right here itself. But what happens is when you open up your browser and click this index file, it'll actually load all these files here so you can view the video in your browser. And this is all behind the scenes. So this is what it should look like in your folder, and we're going to try to make it look like these files here. So let's go back to your screenshot real quick. It appears to me that this right here is the actual video file that you have, but it's saying it's index. Well, actually it is index on here too. If you look, index.flv, I believe that's the file that you have here. And this index file right here is a JavaScript file, which I believe is this one right here, the JavaScript file. The only other file that's left here that's an index on your screenshot here is, you see there's a W in the center of this file, which means your computer is set to open this index file with Microsoft Word, and we don't want to do that. Okay, we want your browser to open it up. It could be Internet Explorer or Firefox or whatever you're using. So we need to change this file right here so it'll open on your browser. And to do that, I can't obviously do this in your image shot. So let's go over here to what it's supposed to look like. So what you do is just highlight or click on the file, or make sure you're highlighting it. Excuse me. And you want to right click on it, and you want to open your file with, it says open with, and you want to choose the program. Okay, and it says recommended programs. It'll give you a list. Now your list is going to look different than the list I have on my system that has other programs too. As you notice, there's different programs that you can use. So you want to find your browser, whether it's Internet Explorer or Firefox or whatever, and it might not even be on a recommended program list. It'll probably be on this list somewhere else down here, okay? So you want to choose your browser and then click OK. And then what you want to do also is select this. Always use the selected program to open this kind of file. So select that and then click OK. And I'm not going to do it because I've already done it. So when you do that, it'll actually change your index file from a Word file to a browser file. As you see, there's an E on this one, which means Internet Explorer is going to open up the index file. So if I were to click on this, this is what it would look like. As you see, I clicked on that file immediately and my browser opened it up, and now it's going to show you the video itself. So let me close this down real quick. Oh, let's just open it back up. Okay, excuse me. Sorry, this is not a real professional video. I'm just shooting this real quick for you. Okay, so basically, like I said, you want to click on this file here. You want to right click on this file here that you have, and you want to go ahead and select open with, then you choose the program, which will be your browser, Internet Explorer, Firefox, unless you're using something else. Okay, once you do that, then you can come back, or once you do that, actually it should just automatically open it up for you and load all these files in your browser behind the scenes. You don't have to worry about any of these. These are all behind the scenes, okay? So I want you to try that, and that should work out for you. And let me know how it works. If it doesn't, have one other way that'll work for you, okay? Alright, thanks and good luck.